What is up, guys? Quick little overview, not really a product review, of this Ryobi flooring saw. I used this on a job previously about a month and a half ago. This is a game changer, time saver, so many different, if you've ever done it without the proper tools, then you'll know. Especially, I would recommend buying this all day long. Especially even if you're just doing a DIY project around the house. Maybe you're only redoing one room, maybe you're redoing multiple rooms. It saves so much time, and you can accomplish so much more faster with this compared to other products out there. There is a latch, and I'm sorry about the camera angles, and this is just to lock and unlock it from this position. And then when you're in any other position, you can still put the lock on, and then once you hit the middle, it will lock into place. Basically, all your horizontal cuts will be in this position, and then when you're doing your rip cuts, you will put it into that lock position, and then you'll be running it the length this way. Of course, you'll be using your push stick or whatever, but there are some of these features that I like, that you can clamp your piece down here. I am still a little bit confused about these other pieces. Move this out of the way. Let's see here. You got a couple different clamps or stops or whatever you want to call them. Some tools down here, but I did do my rip cuts, and you can put up your fence over here. It's still a little confusing to me. I probably need to look into it more. If anybody knows, leave it down in the comments. Again, you can see I put the duct tape on here. I was not using this dust cover. I was hooking it up to a cordless Ryobi shop vac, and the only downside is you have to kick on the shop vac before you have this hooked up. If anybody knows, or is there some kind of attachment between a Ryobi shop vac, and I figured this was Ryobi, this would line up just fine. I have a couple other Ryobi pieces where I thought the shop vac would come more into just easier use, easier to hook up to another Ryobi product. But other than that, I mean, literally, this thing paid for itself. The only job I've used it on, and I bought it specifically for that job. Now, of course, I can do more jobs, but I would like to change out this 5.5 blade, 24 teeth. Basically, I'd like to change out to a little finer of quality. I know it doesn't really matter because all of those horizontal cuts only are at the end of your run, or where it would butt up to the wall and it would be hidden by your trim. And other than that, I mean, I don't really have anything other than to figure out more of the rip saw and the degree, because on here you can also change your degree to like 45, 30, 22 and a half, 15. Of course, this is at 0. So, but this is also very lightweight. I did want to mention, as far as the battery life goes, this doesn't use a whole lot of battery. I was pretty amazed. I was using a 4 amp hour battery, and it really didn't eat it up that much, other than of course, like on your shop vac, it's gonna just go through the batteries. But this was pretty good. I could use a 4 amp hour battery pretty much all day, because you're only cutting when you get to the end. You're not, so you're not gonna have a ton of cuts, but this just keeps everything straight. If you've done it just with other cordless tools, you'll know this is such a game changer, such a time saver. It makes you more, much more efficient than just trying to use regular hand tools. So, all in all, great product. I couldn't be happier with this purchase. Thanks to you guys that watch, and I appreciate all the new subscribers and the old ones. And if you can, hit that subscribe button. We'll have more product reviews, tools, maybe even some guitar stuff, and hopefully some more cooking videos soon too. Take care, guys. Get ready, all your contractors and handyman out there, get ready to do your taxes. So.